Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on and off sleep mode on Instagram. Okay. First of all, go to your Play Store, click on this and check update your Instagram. Search for Instagram, click on this. Now you can see Instagram already installed. Then now back to home screen and click on Instagram. Click on profile icon and click on three-line icon. Now scroll down, click on time management, click on sleep mode. You can see your sleep mode is off. Now on this, click on save. Now again, click on off. You can see during this process, you can turn on off sleep mode on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.